Area moment of inertia of the square of size 1 unit about its diagonal needs to be calculated. So for the square, all the sides are equal. So this is 1, 1 and 1. And if we draw a diagonal, so the size of the diagonal will be √2. And the moment of inertia needs to be computed about the diagonal axis. So in that case, if I draw a perpendicular to this diagonal, this would be 90 degrees. And since this is 1, so this would be 45 degrees and this would be 1 by √2. And this would also be 1 by √2 in that case. So now the height of the triangle is 1 by √2. Height of the triangle is 1 by √2. And base would be √2, and moment of inertia for triangle, that is BH cube by 12 it will be. So that is √2 into 1 by √2 whole cube divided by 12. So this is √2 into 1 by 2 √2 divided by 12. So √2 and √2 is cancelled. This will be 1 by 2 times of 12. So moment of inertia for the square, it would be 2 times of triangle moment of inertia. That is 2 into 1 by 24, which is 1 by 12. So upon solving, this would be equal to 0.0833 would be the answer. So which is not matching with any of the options.